I'm Julie. I'm debuting my very first Stitch Fix box. Got it in the mail just now, and my friend Lisa referred me. She's here with me. She may make a cameo appearance in a few minutes, but today's July 23rd, 2018, and I'm plus size, so I thought I would show you all the clothes they sent me. They chose for me in plus size. I'm so excited. I've been watching and sort of stalking the mailman. That's okay. I think we both have. Ooh, yay! Oh wow! Look at all this. So, Stitch Fix is a subscription service for fashion. Shipping is free both ways. So here's my mailer to send back. Here's my little information card. Oh, hello, hello. I'll look at that in a minute. I'm sure it gives the information and styling. Looks like I got an accessory. I'm excited about that. And then I have a bundle. I asked for mainly tops, so excited. Look at this. Pretty colors. All right, here goes. Ooh, how pretty. Ooh, I love beige. Look at this. I love the detail at the top, and there's detail on the sleeves and detail at the bottom. What do you think, Lisa?
Very pretty.
So let's see who this is by. Evolution is the brand. So I'm excited. Oh, the tag up here tells me too. Off-White, Evolution by Cyrus. Carmelina crochet detail knit top. Oh, I think I'm really going to like this. Pretty. Good job. Okay. Oh, this is a beautiful color. This navy, dark navy. Ooh, I like the detail on it too. Oh, I love the color. It has all the way down, I don't know if you can see, it has sort of like crochet material, and then the sleeves have a little button detail where they are ruched up a little bit. Very pretty. And the color, let's see what this is here. Skies are blue, Kaylee lace overlay top. Yeah, it's more of a lacy. I said crochet, but it's more of a lacy. Pretty, I'm excited. Excited, let me, navy. Ooh, oh, look at this. Oh, this is very pretty too. Oh, look, it's got detail on the back as well as the front. Oh, I really like this.
Oh, it's cold shoulder.
Oh, it's cold shoulder too. I didn't notice that. Yeah. I don't have anything cold shoulder, so this will be a first.
I want it.
You want it? Well, it's not your size. You're smaller than I am, so she won't be taking it, but
it looks like a tunic almost.
Yeah, it is a tunic. I think it is. Let's see what it says here. Daniel Rain, Mari cold shoulder top, Off-White. Very nice, very nice. So, oh, there's another one. I thought that was there's another one. I know. It blends in. Oh, this is very pretty too. Wow. I think I like everything. And I haven't even tried anything on yet.
High-low.
It's a high-low? Yes. Can you see the detail in the front and the back? And then the has a little detail for the top too. You can either wear it long sleeves, it looks like. There's a button here too. You can let this down or you can pull it up. Very pretty, very pretty. It's sort of an orange, and then the back is it has some pleats too. Let's see what this is called. 41 Hawthorne Carry split neck blouse. So we can look at the split neck here. Again, very pretty. And then I get an accessory too. Wow, so exciting. It's something you just kind of do for yourself. A lot of people are always doing stuff for other people, which is great, and this is something you can just treat yourself occasionally too, if you like. This is very pretty. This is very pretty. I think this will go really nicely with all of the...
That's mine.
Nice. Okay.
There's no size to that.
No. Friend Lisa says it's hers, but I don't think so.
Very pretty.
She referred me, and I'm so grateful because I hadn't heard of the brand before, and this is just fun thing to do, like I said, for yourself once in a while. So, okay, let me look at the what the stylist said real quick, and then we'll try it on. I'm anxious to see who my stylist is, what her name is. Her name is Danny. And she says, a huge warm welcome to the Stitch Fix family, Julie. I'm so excited to have been able to create your very first Stitch Fix. I see that you're interested in tops at the moment, so I went ahead and filled this fix with just that. I think you're going to love the selection I've sent. Thank you so much for sharing your pins. They truly helped inspire these pieces. I sent up a Pinterest board and labeled it Stitch Fix, so my stylist, I gave her the a web address so she could look at kind of my style. So that's what she's referring to. I can tell you love preppy styles with a touch of romantic boho flair, which is why I think you're going to love the Evolution top by Cyrus. It has the crochet details that you seem to like, and the bell sleeve is absolutely beautiful. Now this next piece is a bit of a splurge, but the Daniel Rain Cold Shoulder is such a fun summer top. It can be dressed up with a wide leg khaki pant or worn more casually with your favorite jeans and a bold colored shoe. Can't wait to hear your thoughts, Danny. And then on the card it shows you how to style your pieces that they've sent, whether with jeans and shoes and just some ideas. I don't know, that's not coming through really well, but there, maybe that's better. But that's great. Okay, I'll go try them on and let you see. Just wanted to show you my friend Lisa. She's wearing a Stitch Fix outfit. She's the one that referred me.
We've been friends for about a year, and it's been wonderful walking in the morning.
Yeah.
And sharing this experience with her.
Yeah, I was real tickled to hear about Stitch Fix, and thank you, Lisa.
Yeah, she looks great. I'm just saying that.
Thank you. Okay.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.